Here's the 3 horsepower I got. There's a cool little decal there. I cleaned the points, that was the problem that I could find out. And then it was like doing something weird, so I took the carb off, which is like a very small carburetor. And look, this little thing, first of all, it wasn't in one piece. Second, it wasn't even on right. It was like, it had this screw in, and this part was all like smashed up. It was, whoever put it on didn't know what they were doing. So hopefully I'll just get that and it will run. If not, I'll just, I don't know, I'll just fool around with it some more. I'm not gonna spend money on it, besides maybe like $5. So yeah. And it doesn't have an engine cowling either. It just has. I was using like this crazy thing on the drill. I'd rather just pull it, but oh well, hopefully it works. There was also water in the gas tank. Yeah. So hopefully I'll get a running video if that little thing is all it needs. Oh, here's the gas tank. It has water in it. So I'm just letting it dry out. See, you can see, well, you can't really, but anyway, that little diaphragm gasket, I don't know, whatever, it wasn't even on right. So, yeah. There it is.